Hey, what's up? This is Redneck. Just doing another update video on the shop. Well, lots changed pretty much since I last did a video on the shop. For one thing, got cubby unseized and all put back together, and I'm thinking she needs new rings, because whenever you crank her, if you have the choke on, once you take it off, the gas just drips, just starts coming out of the carburetor, out of the choke. So, and also it sounds like it's missing, so I don't know if it's the firing order or needs new rings or what. I think it needs new rings because it doesn't seem to have that much compression. But yeah, I did get little Johnny here running. I pulled off the carburetor and pulled the float off. All this shit going around on it, that's all that was in the float. So yeah, that had something to do with it. Yeah, so I got her running. And here's the old trailer that used to be for Cubby. It was over there, back over by the other Farmall Cub Tools. If you remember in some of the videos, you see me passing by it and whatnot. Well, what is that? Ooh, a Black Widow. Yeah, that's one thing you gotta watch out for. Shit like this. Ow. Thought that was a branch or something first. Anyway, as you can see, I got an angle grinder. I'm gonna cut this up, put it on the scrap pile, which is if you can see it just to the right between the lumber trailer and the pile of wood, you can see a bunch of scrap. There's an old boat trailer there. That trailer I pulled out of the marsh, and this one, 2 cast iron manifolds out of 454 Volvo Penta engines on a Carolina Classic to, what was it? No, wait. I think it might actually be 3. I don't know, 2 or 3. And then the exhaust housings, or whatever the hell you call them. Yeah, they were rusted really bad. In fact, it blew one of the engines because both manifolds were rusted through. Yeah. As you can see, this hasn't been used in a while. There's the other tire. And no, this didn't fall off when I was moving it. did, you'd see a big chip in the concrete or something. But this fell off. It's been a while. Actually, I think it was about 3 years ago. I was trying to move the trailer, and when I moved it back, I lifted it a little, take it off trailer, and sure enough, it popped off. As you can see, I'm starting to get the tire off, and there's a bunch of fire rats crawling on it. But yeah, I just pulled it over here with a new vehicle. Got that last month. 2004 Ford Ranger. I do like the four-wheel drive. And of course, well, I know you can't see that. Got a gun rack in the back and everything. Ducks Unlimited mats. And of course, a bag of Jack Link's jerky. A lot of space. Cigarettes. A T-bone. Of course, I had to throw this on there. I think these are the same size tires we had on my. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. Anyway. Yeah, those are the same size tires we had on our old Jeep we had. Got the hitch on. Added a cargo box. Little tie-off hooks or whatever. What called support hooks, whatever. 4.0 liter V6. Plenty of power. There's the John boat with the piece of shit motor. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I'll make some more videos soon. Oh, and Marquis gone.